everyone. Today I am showing you Toyota Corolla, Verso, Yaris, C1, Peugeot 107 and Aygo. That's the common problem of this actuator. This is semi-automatic and they put the two motors on the top. One is the gear selector and one is the clutch actuator. You can see this type of the actuator is coming in Toyota Verso, and you can see here 1, 2, 3 bolt. When you remove it, you have to do manually reset, and I will show you how to reset. And second thing, you can repair this unit and put back. No need to buy the new one, is very expensive. So this is 3 bolt is on here and 1 plug is on the top, 1 is on the side, this one. And you can remove 3 bolt, and you can see here adjusting, and you can see here 3 bolt is on there. When you remove it, should be put on the same old mark here, should be end of this thing is adjusting on there, you can see here. And one is here is a fork sitting in a fork. That nut should be little bit loose but should be tight nut properly. There's no tension on in the fork, should be like you can feel with the hand, like you can see here, it should be like this. This is the fitting method of the actuator, and I am going to show you what is the problem of this unit. If you can see in a computer, I save some pages here and then I will show you. If you go to there, you can see this type of 3 units is there. We can repair 3 type of units coming, the part number is coming on there, and then you can see here like the codes coming like P0810 and P0900. That's 2 code is coming, and if you can see what part number we can repair, and you can see here these part number we can repair. Toyota Aygo, Yaris, Verso, that's the model number of this one. And you can see here one manually how to reset the things on there. So I show you how you can reset it. Look, this is the things is on the Google. If you can open the things, and then you can see here this is the sequence. You can see here the PDF file. I save it here, but it's not coming. I don't know why it's not coming. I will try again. Basically the insides have the diagnostic socket, and that's you need to short the pin number 4 and pin number 3, and you need, when you short it, switch ignition on, and then you have to press it, and you can see press the brake 7 times, and then you can see one beep will come, and then put in a should be in the neutral lever, and then you can see go into E and then go to the M, and then do -4 times, like M to minus, M to minus, M to minus, M to minus, then come on the E, and then you can come on the N, and then press the brake 1 time, then you can beep, and then press 3 times in 3 seconds. Then you can beep to switch ignition off, and then remove the jump wire number 4 and number 13 and wait for 10 seconds, and then the assembly conditions stored in the system, and then you can replace the clutch. And then same method is doing on there. If you doing when you want to put it back, and then you need to learn again, the same process is on there. I will show you how you can do it, and is the same process is going to be. If I am gonna open this bit, this is showing here. I don't know why it's not showing. But we done from here manually. But if you have a diagnostic, it's very easy job to do the learning through the diagnostic. But you can see this is the website is not opening here. I don't know why it's not opening, but you can see this is the things to do, how you learn the things manually. Like this is the link. We try to do this one. Look here, this is the thing here, it is mentioned on there. This is the things, service mode, how you do the service, and then you have to learning. So if you have a problem of this type of, you have to bring the car to us, and we will repair your actuator, and we will do the learning, everything complete, and should be your problem solved. We are in Heathrow near Heathrow, and my name is Terry. You can see my other videos, and we are